Origami flapping bird are most popular origami. This origami requires a lot of passion to make it, and this origami also can improve your memory and attention skill when make that origami. So I'm here today to demonstrate and guide to you all how to make an origami flapping bird. With this origami can impress your friends and your sibling to feel for their free time. Beside that, this origami also does not require you to spend a lot of money because it's only use paper to make it. This origami was originally from Japan. To make this origami involves 1 sheet square of paper and 25 steps.
We are going to start by folding in half diagonally. So take this bottom right corner and fold it up to the left top corner. Align the corners and the edge and make your crease and then unfold. Then fold in half diagonally in the opposite direction. After that, turn the paper over and fold in half horizontally. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. Align the corners and the edge and make your crease and then unfold.
Alright, step 6. Rotate the paper so that the crease we just made is now held vertically, and then do the same exact thing. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. Step 7. Then make your crease, and this time we are not going to unfold. Step 8. Turn the model over. Push the left and the right sides in towards one another just to collapse along the existing creases, and 4 separate flaps will occur. Step 9. Push 2 of those flaps over to the left and push the remaining flaps to the right. Preliminary base. Step 10. Fold over the bottom right edge and align it with the vertical crease in the center of the model, and then unfold it.
Step 11. Do the same thing on the left. Step 12. Turn the model over and do the same thing in the step 10 and 11. Step 13. Make a new corner horizontal crease that connect the two creases we created before by pulling down the top corner and then unfold it. Step 14. Lift up the top layer and pull it back along the horizontal crease that we created before. And step 15. Make the model lie flat by collapsing along the exacting creases.
Step 16. Turn the model over and do the same exact thing. This is called the bird base. Step 17. Make sure there are 2 layers of paper on each side of the model and the layers on the bottom of the model are separated. Step 18. Take the top layer on the right side of the model and fold it over to the left along the vertical crease. Step 19. Turn the model over and do the same exact thing in step 18. Step 20. Focus on the 2 separated layers on the top of the model and grab each side of the layer on the right and pull it over the right. Keep the 2 edges aligned.
Okay, at step 21, flip the paper over and do the same exact thing in step 20. In step 22, focus on the big flap on the bottom of the model. Fold it up as far as it will go. Turn it over and do the same thing in the other side. In step 23, create the bird's head by doing the reverse fold on the layer of the right side of the model. To make the bird flap its wing, curl the wing a bit by grabbing the top of the bird wing and pull it over to the right toward the bird's head. Turn the model over and do the same exact thing by pulling the top of the bird's wing to the left side toward the bird head. And the last step, that is step 25, grab the bottom left corner of the model underneath the head and grab the base of the tail and pull it over the right. Also, you have done this. Your flapping bird is complete.
So, in this video, we learned how to create origami sculptures in various shapes only using one material, and I hope that you will try to make this simple sculpture and impress your friends who love origami. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a nice and happy day.